This is the honest story of who we are and how we came to run a travel company on Shikoku. If you're interested in hearing about that, keep listening. Hidden Japan Travel was started by two friends. That's us, Miho and Sam. We met in the city of Matsuyama. Now, Matsuyama is in Ehime Prefecture, and Ehime is on Shikoku. If you've never heard of Shikoku, it's the most remote of Japan's 4 main islands, and it's great. We're biased, but we love it here. Surfing and scuba diving in the clear waters of the Pacific, hiking and camping in the mountains, enjoying a campfire under the stars, and riding over the bridges of the Shimanami Kaido, and actually riding pretty much everywhere we can. That's because Shikoku is a cycling paradise. We also run marathons, but Miho is faster than me at those, so let's not discuss that. In our travels, we rarely met any non-Japanese travellers. There are some popular hotspots, yes, but in general, we were struck by how few people visited Shikoku compared to the urban centres of Tokyo, Kyoto and Osaka. In one sense, we were quite pleased about this. Our campsites remained our own private secret spots, and we had the mountains and gorges to ourselves. But over time, we realised we wanted to share this special place with the world. Travelling here, though, can be a real challenge. Public transport is patchy. If you're cycling or walking for a few days, it's difficult to sort out what to do with your luggage. There isn't a massive amount of English spoken, and most of the best places, they're tough to get to. We thought there must be something we could do to change this situation and to show off our home. That thought was the start of Hidden Japan Travel. Miho has advanced qualifications in travel operations, and that meant we could launch as a licensed official travel operator. That was back in 2018, and since then we've shown off this amazing island, our home, to lots of guests. We actually started with only one food tour, and since then we've come a long way. We've developed other adventures and experiences to give guests a full flavour of the beauty and culture of Shikoku. We now have sea kayaking trips, multi-day cycling adventures, camping packages, cooking experiences, food tours, taxi tours, and lots more. We also work with guests to develop special one-off packages. So if you want to learn Japanese drumming, or see the architecture of Kuma Kengo, or whatever, we can definitely help you out. Look, we're not a massive faceless travel company. We're not some profiteering enterprise from Tokyo trying to exploit the beauty of Shikoku. I mean, we don't sell our tours through online travel agents, and that's because they take a cut of anything that's sold over their websites. In turn, that would mean we would have to charge you extra money, and we don't want to do that. We're just people who care deeply about our home and who are passionate about showing off the best this special island has to offer. If you've got any questions at all, please get in touch. And sign up to our mailing list if you want to hear from us every now and then. And finally, let me just say, Miho and I are really looking forward to welcoming you to Shikoku someday soon.